How to find jobs at Sony company. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find jobs at Sony company. In order to find jobs in Sony company, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of that company. First of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in sony.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of the Sony company. Here in this page, you will be able to see different options at the top. Simply click on this employee/careers option or the link and then a pop-up will appear. From here, you will need to select this careers tab. Once you select this option, now you will be taken to this page. Here, you will be able to see the menu option at the top right. Simply click on it and then select Apply to Job Opportunities. Once you select this option, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will get two different options, whether to sort by job categories or sort by countries. Simply select Sort by Countries and then select a country from here. After that, you will be presented with the job titles in that particular country. From here, you can select one of these departments and then click on it. Now once you reach to this page, you will be able to see Find a Job option at the top right. Simply click on it and then here click on Search Opportunities. Also note that the interface may be different in different departments. You will need to look for this Find a Job or similar keyword in order to find jobs on this company. Now here you can simply scroll down and find the job that you would like to apply. Once you get the job you would like to apply for, simply click on that link and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to scroll down and now read all of these job description and the requirements. After that, if you prefer applying for this job, you can click on this address given below and then send your CV. Also, you can apply for this job directly from this website. For that, click on this apply button at the top and here select one of these options based on your preference. And then you might need to create an account on it. After that, you will need to complete your resume, add your information, experience, answer the application questions, and then review all of the details. After that, you will be able to apply for this job. Similarly, if you want to apply for a different job, then you can simply come back to the previous tab, click on the arrow at the top right to come back to the previous page, and from here again select different headings. After that, search a job that you'd like to apply for and then you'll be able to apply for it. So by following these steps, you should be able to find jobs at Sony company. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.